building relationships around you has to do with moving forward in life. So I'm not saying that always have more connections. I'm saying choose very carefully every couple of years maybe to audit your life. So that's the hard part, distancing yourself from people, which means you're actually creating space. You create time. If you have time, then you could do something to connect with those people that you've not connected with for a while. Now you need to choose what sort of people you want to stay. And you can only know that if you've set some goals. And if you have specific goals in the next 6 months or in the next few weeks, you know that you need to meet specific people that can help you move closer to your goals, because they'll give you advice, they'll make an introduction, they'll support you in some way, they'll do it for you, maybe they'll become a partner in the business, I don't know, but they'll help you move forward slowly.